The question reads, Figure 1.1 shows a coil of wire. This is the coil of wire. We can see that the length of the coil is being indicated over here. A student measures the length of the coil using a ruler. His measurement is 3.8 centimeters. There are 20 turns of wire in the coil. The student uses his measurement to calculate average thickness of the wire. Show that the average thickness of the wire is about 0.2 centimeters. Now the questions where the instruction given to us is show that, it means that we have to prove by working and by showing the working of that proof. So for this working, the average thickness would be calculated by dividing the total length, which is 3.8 centimeters, by the total number of turns. So it comes out to be equal to 0.19 centimeters, which could be approximated to 0.20 centimeters. So the average thickness of the wire is about 0.2 centimeters over here. The next part reads, the student's measurement of 3.8 centimeter is inaccurate. State one reason, any one of the reason why the measurement is inaccurate. Since the length is being measured using a ruler, so one reason for inaccurate measurement could be that the eye is not perpendicular above the point of reading. So the error caused because of this is called parallax error. So I'm writing parallax error due to eye not placed right above the point of reading. So when the observer sees the reading from the sideways, parallax errors are commonly occurred. The volume of the wire in the coil is 16.6 centimeter cube. So we are given with the volume of the wire and its mass is 148 grams. Calculate the density of the metal used for the wire in the coil. Now density is represented by the symbol rho, and the formula for density is that density or rho is equal to mass upon volume. We do not have to change any units over here because the answer is required to be given in gram per centimeter cube. The mass is already given to be in grams and the volume is also given to be in centimeters cube. So I'm writing over here in place of mass, I'm writing 148 and it is divided by 16.6 centimeter cube. So the answer comes out to be 8.9 grams per centimeter cube. So in place of the answer, I'm writing 8.9 grams per centimeter cube is already written over here. The next part reads, the student has a measuring cylinder and a beaker of water as shown in the figure 1.2. So we have a measuring cylinder, beaker of water. Describe how the student can determine the volume of the coil by using the equipment shown in the figure 1.2. So this is the coil for which we have to measure the volume. Now the command word here is describe and we have total of 4 marks. Now this instruction or the command word combined with the marks, it tells us how detailed answer we have to write over here. So I'm writing a 4-mark answer. Number 1, partially fill the measuring cylinder with water and note down the volume. Number 2, submerge the coil in water. Number 3, note down the new reading of volume. And number 4, volume of the wire is calculated by the difference in volumes noted. So we noted down 2 volumes. When we find the difference, the volume of the wire could be found.